Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. This is your maths book, Oxford New Countdown, Book 4, 3rd edition. Today our lesson number 7, topic numbers and arithmetic operations, exercise 1b, page number 10 and 11, word problems 1, 3, 5, 7 and also have tables 2 till 10. Students, first maintain your index. Students, on page number 10 you have word problems. Word problem, read the problems carefully, decide whether you should add or subtract to solve them. Write complete statements. Students, you have to read these word problems carefully, then you have to decide whether you have to add or subtract these values or not. You have to write the complete statement. Now question number 1. In question number 1, a factory made 64,750 jute bags on Monday and 51,060 more on Tuesday. How many bags were made altogether? Copy this question in your notebook. Students, first you put the date. Exercise 1b, page number 10, CW. Next heading डालेंगे word problems की. Question number 1, a factory made 64,750 jute bags on Monday and 51,060 more on Tuesday. How many bags were made altogether? Students, now what you have to find? You have to find the total number of bags. Now in order to total numbers of bags, you have to add them. First you put the heading of data. Number of jute bags made by factory on Monday 64,750. Number of jute bags made by factory on Tuesday 51,060. Now what are you finding? We are finding the total number of jute bags. Now you will give heading of solution. Now move to a solution. You will give, add these values, 64,750 plus 51,060 and your answer will be 115,810. So your final result is 115,810 jute bags were made altogether. On page number 11, you have question number 3. A library has 46,918 books of English and 108,625 books of Urdu. What is the total number of books? Again, in this question, you have to find the total number of books. In order to find total number of books, you have to add these values and you will get your answer. Here you can see that in your question number 3, first you will copy this question in your notebooks. Second, you write data like this. Number of English books in library 46,918. Number of Urdu books in library 108,625. Now then you have to write the total number of books. Now move toward calculations, which is you have to add these values. When you add these values, which is 155,543 and your final result is 155,543 is the total number of books. Now move to question number 5, which is find the difference between the largest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. Copy this question in your notebook. First you put the date, exercise 1B, page number 11 and classwork. Question number 5. In question number 5, you have to find the difference. Difference means you have to subtract or minus these values, the largest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. So when you subtract 9,999 from 100,000, you will get your answer. You can see that first you have to write the data like this, and then you will move toward the solution and you will subtract, and you will give the final result is 90,001 is the difference between them. Now move to last question, which is a school is in the village needs rupees 400,000 for a new building. Mr. Abdul donated rupees 150,000. How much more money must be collected? Copy this question in your notebook. Now, a school in the village needs rupees 400,000 for constructed a new building. Mr. Abdul donated rupees 150,000. In order to, how much more money must be collected? Students, you have to subtract 150,000 from 400,000. Again, you will write data. Now you will move toward the solution. In solution, you subtract these values, and your answer is 250,000. So your final answer is rupees 250,000 more money must be collected. Students, so in this way you have to solve the word problems in your notebook. Students of class 4, you have to write tables 2 till 10 in your notebook. Students, kindly complete your work. Allah Hafiz.